Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process to securely wipe your PC, ensuring your data is gone for good and your system is reset to a fresh, out-of-box state. We'll cover every step from backing up your data to using Windows' built-in reset tool and finalizing with Sysprep so your PC is safe and ready for its new owner. Stick with me for this complete guide. Step 1. Back up your data. Before we wipe anything, you must back up your important files. Trust me, you don't want to lose those precious photos or documents. Use an external hard drive, a USB flash drive, or a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. I'm opening File Explorer now to show you my Documents folder. Check folders like Desktop, Documents, Pictures, and Downloads, and copy everything you need to your backup location. Once you've confirmed your data is safely backed up, we're ready to wipe the PC. Step 2. Access the Reset This PC feature. Let's start the secure wipe using Windows' built-in reset feature, which works on both Windows 10 and 11. Press the Windows key and S to open the search bar. Now, type Reset This PC and press Enter. This opens the Reset This PC option in Settings. On Windows 10, you'll see a Get Started button. On Windows 11, it's labeled Reset PC. I'm clicking the button now. This brings up a screen with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Since we're selling the PC, choose Remove Everything to delete all personal files, apps, and settings. Click Remove Everything. Now Windows will ask how you want to reinstall the operating system: cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download grabs a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft's servers, which is great for the latest updates. Local reinstall uses files already on your PC, which is faster if your internet is slow. For this tutorial, we'll choose Cloud Download for a clean, up-to-date install. Next, you'll see Additional Settings. This is critical. Click Change Settings. I'm clicking it now. In the Settings window, look for Clean Data and switch it to Yes. This overwrites your drive, making it nearly impossible for anyone to recover your files with data recovery tools. Confirm that Download Windows is set to Yes, then click Confirm. I'm confirming the settings now. Back at the summary screen, check that everything looks correct, then click Next. When you see Ready to reset this PC, click the Reset button. This process can take several hours, especially with the Clean Data option, as it downloads Windows, wipes your drive, and reinstalls the operating system. If you're finding this guide helpful for prepping your PC for sale, hit that subscribe button to join the Passionate About Tech community. Let's keep your tech secure and ready for anything. Step 5. Verify the reset and set up a temporary account. Once the reset is complete, your PC will restart and show the Windows setup screens. Let's quickly go through these to verify the wipe. Select your region, like United States, and click Yes. Skip adding a second keyboard layout if prompted. When asked to connect to a network, select I don't have internet or skip Wi-Fi setup. You might notice the I don't have internet option is missing. Don't worry, press Shift and F10 together to open the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type this following command. Press Enter. Your PC will restart automatically. After the restart, you'll return to the network setup screen, but now the I don't have internet option should appear. Click I don't have internet to proceed. Accept the license term. Enter a generic name like user and skip adding a password, just like in our main tutorial. Accept the default privacy settings for now, as this account is temporary. Once you reach the Windows desktop, open File Explorer by pressing Windows key and E. Check folders like Desktop, Documents, Downloads, Pictures, and Videos. They should be empty, with only default Windows folders remaining. Also, check the C drive for any personal folders you had before. If they're gone, the reset worked. Step 6. Run Sysprep for an out-of-box experience. To give the new owner a fresh, out-of-box experience, we'll use the Sysprep tool to reset the system further. Press Windows key and R to open the run box. Type this following command and press Enter. I'm typing that now. This opens the System Preparation tool. In the drop-down, select Enter System Out-of-Box Experience, OOBE. Check the box for Generalize to prepare the PC for a new user. For shutdown options, choose Shutdown. Click OK. The PC will prepare the system and shut down. When the new owner starts the PC, they'll see the initial Windows setup screen, ready to configure their own account, region, and settings, just like a brand new machine. And that's it, tech fans. You've just learned how to securely wipe your Windows 10 or 11 PC from backing up your data to using the Reset This PC feature with a secure erase and finalizing with Sysprep for a fresh, out-of-box experience. Your PC is now clean, secure, and ready for its next adventure. Drop a comment below. Did this process work for you? Thanks for watching, stay passionate about tech, and I'll see you in the next video.